This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, October the 25th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness to the west of the state over the Rockies and High Plains, producing some showers and some high elevation snow, some high clouds over South Florida, and a storm system over New England. Watch warning map from around midnight, some winter weather issues over Wyoming, the Nebraska Panhandle, and Colorado. Winter storm warnings over southeastern Wyoming, winter weather advisories to the north, and winter storm watches over the mountains of Colorado. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. Shows little, if any, moisture around the state. We think there'll be some in isolated pockets today and into tomorrow, otherwise the heaviest rain to the east. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a fast west-east flow, zonal over the country, with a vort max over the northern plains and another over New England. At the surface, low pressure near Omaha, with some moisture to the north and east and to the west, but around here it looks to be mainly dry with a few isolated showers and storms. By Wednesday, the storm system is to the east and to the south. Winter storm in the mountains of Colorado. Otherwise, temperatures begin to drop into the 40s and lower 50s. By Thursday, skies begin to clear with temperatures in the upper 40s to lower to middle 50s with a northwesterly breeze. We head off into Friday, about the same temperatures in the lower to middle 50s, maybe a few upper 40s after morning lows in the upper 20s to lower to middle 30s. Saturday, starting off the weekend, high pressure over about Memphis, Tennessee. Southwesterly winds begin to take hold. Temperatures begin to warm back up, middle 50s to maybe a lower 60s possible. And Sunday, bit of a disturbance north and east of the state. May switch the winds around to the west, but temperatures should still be around the upper 50s to lower to middle 60s across the state with sunshine. Monday, start off the next work week. Southwesterly winds continue once again, with another storm system building to the west and northwest, with temperatures likely in the lower 60s. A week from today, November the 1st, trough beginning to develop over the Intermountain West, with a bit of a flat ridge over the eastern half of the country, and as you can see, a storm system beginning to take shape over the northern Rockies and into the Intermountain West, which could affect us later that week. We head off into Voodoo, November the 5th. A trough over the center part of the country with several vortexes over the east and west. And where we are, low pressure over about north of Thunder Bay, Ontario. Cold front coming through could bring some rain, maybe some wet snowflakes, as more cold air begins to entrain in. And at the end of the forecast on November the 8th, you can see a ridge developing over the southeast into the Gulf of Mexico, a southwesterly flow aloft with a vort max over southern Colorado. And what does that mean? That means some action could be taking place as we head into the second week of November, but this is still way out there in Voodoo. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.